Hello and welcome to our new Christmas special video. Today we're painting some Christmas berries and leaves. This is Nilofer from Me with a Pencil. Let's begin. To begin, we are going to paint a water puddle. So we're starting with the berries. I'm using a Sennelier bright red and mixing it with some magenta for highlights. Make a water puddle first and then add some color to your berries. You're going to just do a first layer and add more berries on the sides, some half berries, some full berries, so that it looks like a proper bunch. After you've added some red color to your berries, now here I am adding some magenta or red. Any dark red or magenta would be good. Would be good. Now for the leaves, we are going to sketch the outline, the structure of the leaf first, and then add water puddle to it. We're going to be painting it with the same technique, the wet on wet technique. So here, add some colors, add some water once you've done with your pencil. You can also sketch using water directly. Use the water and make the outline and then add the color in it. For the leaves, add some green, mix it with sap green or mix it with some turquoise to give that winter look to your leaves. You can also create the same leaf using direct paint, but that gives a whole deep look to your leaf. Add some details, the first layer of details where you can create some points of the leaf, direct some colors towards the edges of the leaf. Then the second leaf is like the fern, but not exactly the fern leaves, and these are all thin stroke lines. Remember the thin strokes? Keep your brush at 90 degrees and go in a rhythm, like a fast rhythm. Watch it till the end to see how I compiled the whole thing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. If you want me to paint something special, something that you have in your mind and you would like me to teach, you would like to learn, you can leave a comment below or suggest us what you would like to see me paint. Every week we post 2 videos on Monday and Friday. This whole month, we're doing a Christmas special, so we're going to be posting something related to Christmas every week. You can follow us on Instagram and share whatever you paint. If you try painting this whole beautiful Christmas berries and leaves, you share with us on Instagram, and we would love to share your work, whatever you make. So don't forget to like, subscribe and paint with us. After you add some details to your leaf, now let's just give a glaze to your berries. Because when you paint with wet on wet, after your paint dries, the colors usually tone down a lot. So we add a little glazing technique, that's adding some fresh color again to your paper, to your painting, and just a little bit, not like too much, too heavy colors, and blending them out. That's called glazing technique. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed painting this Christmas special berries and leaves with me today. All the materials that I am using I've listed in the caption below. And see you next week for more Christmas videos. Thank you so much and follow us on Instagram. See you guys next week. Bye bye.